Come on in.
Hello. I'm here for the job.
Great. So tell me about your strengths.
Well, I've been developing games since I was around.
Stop right there. We're Hackdivision Pissart, damn it. So what I need to know is, do you like to drink and grope the buttocks of female women?
Excuse me?
It was a simple question. Do you drink and do you like female butts?
Well, I do like the occasional drink, and I am straight if that's what you're asking.
Great, you're hired.
Okay. When do we start? Developing games.
There, all done.
What's done?
Well, our newest Call of Duty game, of course. I just copy-pasted last year's Call of Duty, and I gave it a new name. It's called Call of Duty Drunken Grope Wars. It's gonna be a hit. Anyway, here's your first assignment. I need you to go to the liquor store and get me some gin. I'm almost out. Here, I have someone I want you to meet. This here's Ralph. He's our human resource guy. Say hello, Ralph. Hello. See that? That there's the best human resource guy ever. That's Ralph. If you have any problems, just call Ralph and he'll be taken care of. Oh, sir. I don't mean to interrupt, but I'm getting an important call, so just a minute. Hello, this is Ralph from Human Resources. Oh no. Oh, that's just awful. So what you're saying is a male coworker grabbed your butt. Oh, that's just wrong. Oh, it's awful. Wait a minute. I'm just checking from our systems, and it seems that you were fired, due to budget cuts. Like, just right now. Yeah. Bit of a surprise. Yeah. Well, you know how these things go. You can never really prepare. Oh, please, don't, please, just stop crying. All we need you to do right now is to, pack up your shit and get the fuck off our property. Or we'll call the cops. Yes, for trespassing. Yeah. But hey, have a nice rest of your life. Okay, no hard feelings. Yes. Great job, Ralph. Now go buy yourself a bottle of gin. You've earned it. And also, call the police. It'll be a fun little firing day prank. Some of the guys are hungover. They could use a little laugh. So, how have you been liking it here so far?
I'm glad you asked. I don't think I'm actually,
Oh, shit! Did you see that?
Yeah, I just saw that. I mean, she just fell. Is she all right? What happened?
Oh, crap. That was Gemma. She had great ass. She will be missed. Well, anyway. Oh, I'm just looking for a new employer to replace Gemma. You can always find the best ones from Tinder.
You know what? I don't think I can work here. You know, it wouldn't really work. You know what? I hope you find someone for the job, but I'm just gonna go. Okay.
Oh, well, that's a shame. Hello, Ralph. Yeah, the new guy, he just quit. Yeah, I know, it is a shame. I was starting to really like him. Yeah. Well, but you know the procedure when someone quits. Call the police. He's basically trespassing now. Also, I think he stole my gin. That bastard. Oh, hey! Did you know that the best way to battle against huge companies that mistreat their employees is to subscribe to this channel? And also, if you wanna help me out with the budget, you can always send me more gin. I don't know what the address is, but if you'll send it, I'll be there. Isn't that kinda like that one song, which I can't remember, and probably wasn't even a song. But it's